Hello everybody. Hello. So today on the allotment, this is day 40 I think. Day 4. We managed to achieve so much today. We've laid a path-ish. We do. At the small people.
Small?
And large. And medium.
And the 21-year-old.
Yeah, the 21-year-old. The perennial 20... No, not perennial. Forever, yeah. Peter Pan indeed. Well, it'll be covered in wood chip. We have another pathway which is semi-covered in wood chip. These guys are making the coffins, I don't know who for. So we have also made a composter at the end, which is a 3-bay composter. We have somewhere to store tools. And we thought we were going to build a tunnel. Polytunnel, which was going to go there, which I was fully looking forward to, but we don't have a frame with the thing. So I'm going to make a frame. So we're doing no dig. There's a polytunnel looking sad. We're doing no dig, and we're going to cover everything in cardboard and then put compost on top. So the plan is to have beds going down there, raised beds going down here, raised beds going down there, maybe a table and chair here, polytunnel over here, and then a bit of space around here. Don't know quite what for yet, but quite chuffed, knackered, but yeah, not been able to do anything, just watching people do stuff has been annoying. Hey ho. Right, that's update on day 4. Pretty chuffed, got lots done without digging. Yay. Right, see you later. Always. Bye bye.
Day 4 at the plot. We've had quite a few people with us today, so the kids have come up, and my dad, bless him, who's 21 forever, but his real age is about 70. So we've started doing the homemade wood chippings along that side. A little bit green, but that's fine. And now we're just trying to do something towards the non-dig method. We had some metal beds, which are a little bit like coffins, from our side of our house where we had our little allotment. So we've moved them up here. And then some pallets from the pallet company that we use. They're only like a £5, so it's great. The wood that we had for our wooden beds and surround for the shed prior had all rotten in less amount of time than we had the bedding. We've done a storage box for a few tools, brought a water pot down here, and we started our first composter, so that's all in place. It's great. Right, almost there now. Hi, so day 5 on the plot. I think it's day 5 anyway. So we've got all of our planters from the sides of the house up now, and all of the grapevines. Brought the herbs up, and the soil that was in the house, the compost that was all around there. We've moved the pathway to the left because we realised we didn't have enough space for the greenhouse there, after measuring it out, and the composters moved from that side to that side because the land here we need to build up. You know, we were really fortunate with this plot. There wasn't a great deal that we needed to do because the time of year we got it meant we couldn't see a lot of the weeds, so we just sort of trimmed it all back and cardboarded weed prevention for the paths and that sort of thing. So fingers crossed, we'll be in a situation after well, tomorrow, where we'll be able to put a lot of the soil down and the wooden bark that we've ordered, and it'll look more like an allotment. Fingers crossed. Exciting.
So as Dee said previously, we had
2 ton of topsoil, was it, no, 1 ton of topsoil, 2 ton of compost, and 2 ton of wood chip delivered. So then the pathways were obviously wood chipped, and the compost and topsoil was laid in either the raised beds or on the makeshift flat beds that were created on the right hand side, as you see it on the screen. So it went really well. So considering this is what, day 6, I think, roughly day 5, day 6. This was one evening after school and after work that we all decided to, right, let's go and pile up the allotment and go and have a crack, see how far we can get. So both boys and Dee and me thoroughly enjoying the process and what we're going to head in terms of making this allotment work.